Have you ever downloaded a Blender file from internet and see this scene? And maybe you have confused and keep telling yourself, what did I do? Why is this object pink? Why it doesn't have texture? Sometimes it's happen and it has a very easy solution. I will explain it in this video. Just hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get a notification when we upload a video. You can learn stuff in our channel and you will support us for making more and better videos. And leave a comment if you have any questions. So let's begin. When you add a texture to an object, it's image, and that image it's not inside the Blender, and it's opening the texture from your computer and uses it. But what if I change the texture's place? Yes, Blender loses the location of the texture and you should find it for Blender in the computer. And it's because of that when you download a Blender file from internet, this pink scene happens and we are going to fix it. Okay, you can see it here. And let's make a new folder and change the texture's place. We will open Blender file again in the render mode and it's pink. Okay. If you have a texture and they are in your computer, so it's very easy way to fix this problem. You hit the file and external data and find missing files, and you will find the texture in your computer and hit find missing files. It may take some time and you can see it has fixed. But if you want to pack all of textures into the Blender file and after that move the Blender file wherever you want without seeing pink color, or delete the textures without seeing pink color. It's easy. Before that, let's look at the Blender file size, and it's less than 1 megabyte because textures are not into it, and it kind of needs this texture file. So for packing all files into the Blender, we will go to the file, external, and pack all to the Blender file. And you can see here packed 4 files. We will close the Blender after saving it, and now look at the size of it, almost 14 megabytes, because now it has a texture to it. And now I will delete the textures and open the Blender file again. In render mode, it's working. Now let's see, you want these textures and you want to use them in another Blender file or another app. It doesn't matter, another program. You can just come to the image editor, click here and choose which image you want to save and hit the save image, choose the location and save. We do this for 4 textures we have made for our cube, and you can see here they are here and we can use them again. Goodbye and have a great renders.